everyone. I would like to share a video on how to install WhatsApp on BlackBerry OS X. It's very straightforward and you do not need to install Play Store first. You just go install WhatsApp application. Just copy and paste the link below. And click install APK, download APK. It takes probably about 20-30 seconds. And open it. Now it's complete. Now go try to install this ID, but some reason it's not working, but you can try. But I'm interested in just installing the WhatsApp only. And then click install. And then accept. Now this WhatsApp unfortunately cannot send pictures or photos or video, but you can send and receive text, video, and voice call, which is still good considering the alternative. Just click and voila, they need some confirmations of your phone number. Anyway, that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you.